What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today with some good old XRP content. As you guys know, the markets are actually looking pretty damn good right now. Obviously, Friday was a little bit in the markets. It was sort of flat. It's been a flat for probably, roughly 3 days now. And so now we're starting to come back into the markets. And today, here we are, blessed with a nice little green candle in the day here. And I couldn't be more excited. I mean, this is what we kind of wait for. This is what we kind of build off of. And this is what we like to see. So with all that, I want to say what's up to the chat here. Let's actually get the chart or the charts up here looking while I say hello to everyone here. So as you guys can see, we are in the green today, up almost 2%. So again, starting to turn back around for the charts here. This is the kind of stuff that you want to see. And yeah, like I said, just excited that we're back in the green. Makes you feel a little bit better waking up and seeing your portfolio up versus being down in the red. That kind of brings you down. But yeah, what's up, everyone? We got a lot of people chatting already in the charts here, or in the chat here. We got MTB, World, Intrigue, Melodis, what's up? Bougie, what's going on? Ugly Pope, Tim Shea. We got the mayor of crypto in the house here. We got Kai. Good to see Kai. Jacob, DM. Man, we got a lot of people already ready to pop, ready to rock and roll, man. Lucio, what's up, dude? Double D. Starseed, what's going on? Auto Pops. If I missed some of you guys, I'm scrolling fast. So Elijah, Wolfgang, what's up, man? Good to see everyone here, man. Let's go over here to TikTok and say hello to everyone over here. We got Michaela Rose. What's up? Good morning to you. Another Seattleite in the house here. What's up, everyone? What's going on, Levi? Dave T. What's up, Dave T? All right. Good to see everyone in here, man. Let's get going here. So as you guys can see, we got Bitcoin's obviously up roughly almost 1% in the 24 hours. Ethereum's looking good. We're going into altcoin season. But what are we talking about? We're talking about XRP here, sitting up about 1.25%. Here I've showed this chart yesterday, but you can see we have a lot of buy orders versus sell orders here. Open interest is looking pretty good right now. Longs and shorts right here about 0.98%. So it's looking good. The volume is down overall, though. Sorry, still getting over my sickness, so everyone bear with me here. Sorry. Working through it all here, so we're getting it down. But as you guys can see right now on the hour, we're sitting about roughly $2.19. This is actually looking pretty damn good. Yesterday we drew out the Fibonacci on here. We were talking last night about hitting this level right here, which is the 236 level. We've been playing this level for quite some time. It hits this is a good level of support here. We bounced off it now, which is a really good sign. Our moving average is going back up. Let's open up some other moving averages here. Let's get some of these other ones rocking and rolling here. So yeah, now our goal here on the 1 hour is to get above that 100 or the 100-day EMA. The 4-hour chart, right? Again, dipped in a little too on the bearish side here because all of our averages went below the 100-day EMA here, but we're going to be working back here. Our next level that we want to get back up to is about 230. I'm hoping that maybe we get to 230 today. That'd be nice. We have some momentum going that way. So let's see if we can get back to 230 and build up from there. Yeah, let's see here. Sokyo, time to get serious, ready for the pump. All right, Linda V. All right, I'm liking Linda V. Thank you so much for changing your thing. I'm loving it now. That's looking great. All right, thank you, Linda. Good to see you, Linda. Everyone, let's go. XRP, what's up, Michael? Good to see Michael in the house here. I finally broke even on Flare and XLM. Heck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. That's another one too. Let's talk about HBAR. HBAR's up 4% on the day, dude. Guys, this is looking fantastic as well. Bitcoin to 120. Hey, what's up, Ghost? James, good to see you, dude. I mean, Bitcoin very well could. You know what I mean? Let's see. Robert made a public Bitcoin prediction of 350K within the next few years. I mean, I think 350K is. It's not outside the realm of possibility. People are thinking that we could hit 280 in this bull run for Bitcoin. Again, is that a little extreme? Maybe, but I mean. Dude, we've seen some crazy things with crypto. I got crypto fatigue. I get it, Jay. Crypto fatigue could kill you, dude. You got to step away, go touch some grass. Take a deep breath. A lot of that stuff can help you out when it comes to crypto fatigue. So let's go, A-Team. Yeah, let's go, Austin. Dusui and Ondo tokens get released. They get released here in January, Chris. January is when they get released. So. Yeah, charts are looking good here. A lot of good things. It says XRP eyes bullish leg after key support tested. Can 1650 be reached? That's a first key level I've seen. I haven't seen a 1650 be put out there on the news here yet. And it says testing the 0.618 Fibonacci levels for support, which, as you guys know, if you do the other way around, the 618 is where the golden pocket's at. So we go back and we can look. And if you pull the other way around on it, which again, we can pull back this way, and let's pull it the other way here. He's talking about the 618, which is going to be this one right here. I think he was talking about right there. You can see, I mean, we still pulled the Fibonacci here. We're still right here. It's going to test back into the 618 right here. So even they're looking at the Fibonacci from this level as well. So, I mean, you could look at it from both ways. You could look at it from a decline or for an acceleration, however you want to look at it. But yeah, it's going to test the 618 here. We'll see how that goes. It says breaking resistance at 238 is critical. Again, I'm more on the lines of trying to break through at the they say 238, which is right up in here where this white line's at. I say 239. But really, our whole goal is to try to break through the 230 at this level, which is again where it's rejected off this 230 level. So again, I don't know where they're getting their numbers, but hey, teach your own. Whoever writes these articles, it's up to them, I guess. But yeah, 1650 seems like a really robust number. I don't know where they came up with 1650. That seems like a really weird number to come out there for. But again, we're shooting for $3. $3 is kind of the key for XRP. As you guys know, the reason why I say $3 is because there is a massive wall at $3. Just go back. We can pull out the charts back, and we were looking last night. Look at this wall at $3 right here. This is a let me get Chris's comment out of the way here. You can see right here, this is actually this is the buy orders for sell orders here. You can see there's a lot of sell orders in here at different levels. This is a wall right here. There's roughly, I don't know, just on Coinbase, we got roughly what, $3 million in sell orders at this level at $3. So I mean, this is a big hurdle to get over. Everything else in between is, kind of ways that we can get to. We got, sell orders here at roughly the 280 marker. We got sell orders here at the 290 marker, and then we got sell orders here at the $3. But this is a big sell wall right here, and this will be a hurdle to get through. Can we break through the $3 range? I mean, we're gonna get a hard rejection at three. We know that for sure. So I'm wondering about buying Ondo right now. Again, Michaela, I'm holding off on buying Ondo, buying Sui, just because I'm going to wait for the tokens to unlock. Whether someone creates fear in the market, usually those funds, when they get released, people will sell. People, even retail investors, will sell. So you could probably find a better entry point. That's kind of what I was going to wait for. So what happens in January? Ripple releases they're going to sell too, Christopher. XRP is obviously going to be selling some of their stuff here soon, probably around I think it is January 1st or something like that. I can't remember what the date was, but they are going to be releasing some tokens, and people are going to be like, okay, well, what's going to happen? Hopefully they put some of that back into escrow. So yeah, let's see here. Sorry, just getting here. XRP prediction. We're just trying to get past the $3. There's a big $3 window, a wall right there that we gotta get by. Add into my favorite Austin quotes. Which one is it, Lisa? I don't know which one it is. I recommend touching grass every day. Yeah, Alchemist, I'm with you, dude. Go touch some grass, especially if you get some fatigue. There is another Awesome Austin live streaming running on YouTube right now. So you're aware. Is it really another Awesome Austin live? Oh yeah, that's my other. Is that the Austin Goes Viral, Michael B? Is that which one it is? What is a good limit order for H bar? Do you think it will drop any? I mean, we'll probably play the game, dude. So I mean, H bar has been a good buy and sell option. I mean, the chart's been pretty easy to buy and sell on this thing too. Again, I'm a little bit more bullish going into 2025 here. I think that we're going to be, everything's leading to the up and up. Like I said, I mean, there might be some dips here, but look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart's looking really good for H bar. Like, I'm hoping that we get back into the 30 level, today, maybe with the charts, with the way the charts are looking. The 1 hour is obviously up here, so we might have a little, up and downs, but the 4 hours looking really, really strong. 12-hour, right, came down. It's bouncing. Hopefully it bounces off this 20 level right here. It's at the 19. Hopefully bounce off that 19 and bounce back up and continue to ride for H bar. You look at XRP here. We're on the 12-hour. The 12 hours coming down. I hope it does the same thing. It hits this 16, 17 level, and we bounce back up. 4-hour on the RSI is on its way up right now. So this is actually, again, we could actually have a little bit of some flatness coming up here as this comes up, but we could actually extend this out. This last time it hit the top up here, we extended for roughly almost a whole day. We stayed up top here, so that's good from a 4-hour standpoint. And the last time we were up at the top here with the hour chart, we were up here, yeah, literally almost a whole day. So hopefully we stay up here and continue to ride this out. But again, the 12-hour chart's looking really strong. We're actually going to start hopefully making a turn back up, which will then give us some stronger levels here. We could probably get back into the 230 range if we continue this ride right now. Hey, T-Rex, what's going on, dude? What's going on? Is XRP going to go down? Yeah, I mean, we'll have some rides. I don't know exactly. I can't predict if it's going to go down like right now. So, but I think like I said, I'm being a little bit more positive for sure. So, yeah, pretty crazy. We'll see what happens though. The day's young. The day just started, and so we're gonna ride this out, dude. What are those band indicators you're using? Oh, these right here are just I just do the EMA. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 75, and 100 days, and then I do obviously a moving average as well, which is the white line in there. So those are the bands that I got on there. And again, I look at them sometimes, but really I'm looking at the 20. Sometimes I take away the 40 and the 50. I look at the 75, but mostly what I'm really looking for is I'm looking at the 20-day EMA, or sorry, I don't want 20 up there. I want the 10-day EMA mixed with the 100-day EMA. That's kind of where my trigger points are when looking at this. And when you can see here on the 4-hour chart, this is actually bearish, right? When the 10-day passes the 100-day EMA, that's kind of a bearish, signal right there. You kind of want to stay above. Last time we went up below it was way back here. Last time the 10-day EMA went below the 100-day EMA was back here on November 4th. And so again, look at this. It rode up, and then finally we crossed back over, which is actually very bearish. In a bear market, I would say this is time to short the market. If this was a bear market right now, I'd say short the hell out of the market. You'd short this all day long. The good thing is that we haven't created another low. So even though this is looking rough, we actually haven't created another low from since here, right? We came down, hit a low of 190. We came up, created another high, and then we came down and we almost hit another low here, but we didn't. We hit 195. And now we're going a little bit sideways. So now the next thing is to come up and hit another high to continue to bust out of this. And like I said, that is the goal, is to get to that $3 marker, which again, if we're going into altcoin season, which we've already projected that's what's going to happen based off of the based off of the dominance levels here. Look at this. This is the dominance of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin dominance was high right here, started to fall. What happened? Altcoin started to go. Bitcoin was dominant. It was up here at 61%. It's fallen down by December 4th, fell down to roughly 54%. And look what the rise of XRP was like. I mean, just read the chart. Now Bitcoin started to rise. Bitcoin dominance started to rise. Look what happened. XRP started to fall. Right? Same with here. XRP rise. This starts to fall. Now we're starting to see this come down. And the more we see this come back down into the 50 range, right? We want to try to get back down here to the 50, 51 range or 54 range. This will continue to go up. And right now we can project based off of what we're seeing on exchanges and seeing on across Binance and Coinbase, and the dominance of Bitcoin is actually going down, which is again what's reflecting right here in front of us. So when you start reading these charts, if this starts to go back up, right, we start to get a big uptick on Bitcoin dominance, you're going to expect a sell-off here. So it's a good way. It's just a good indicator to look at. Sorry, everyone over here on the chat. Let me get the indicator up over here for you guys. Right here. This is the indicator I'm talking about here. And let me get on this one here so you guys can see what we're talking about. So here's the Bitcoin dominance over here on TikTok. You guys can see when Bitcoin goes up, the price of it goes down, right? When Bitcoin dominance is up and goes down, it starts to go down. You can see the rise of XRP. It's a very simple graph to look at. So yeah, kind of easy. What's up, Cav? Good to see you, buddy. Berlin Wall. It's always good time to be buying if you believe. Yeah, definitely. Crypto news is another term for some rando talking their ass. Crypto news is another term for same rando talking out their ass. The good thing I'm not talking about news. With everything happening to Tether, will we see a pullback on the 30th? I get what you're saying. Yeah, some crypto news is a person talking about tip tap key. I get what you're saying. Hey Austin, I hope you're having a good morning. Just wondering if there's any longs expiring today. Good question. There's gonna be longs expiring. Every exchange has something expiring on there. We can see right now. Let's go to open interest here. So yeah, you're gonna have some expirations today. Looks like let's go to liquidations here. Right now, there's gonna be the expired there. They haven't released the they only have 27. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's gonna be any. We have some expiring. We have some expiring here in 20 in the 4 hour. Not a lot, dude. There's actually not a lot. Look at that, 33. There's actually more shorts out here than there are longs, and that's a good thing, right? More shorts out here to get wrecked. Same with the 24 hour. You got 621. You got 502 here in the next 12 hours. I mean, that's a lot. So let's see what the open interest looks like. Yeah, volume's a little bit lower, but it's starting to pick back up. Liquidation right now, so you can see longs over. Yeah, long liquidation, short liquidation about 253,000 on Binance right now. Long liquidations are about 276. So it's a pretty mixed bag right now. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy is going to happen. I can see that. Zeus, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Just learning. I'm only on RH. Does your analysis cover RH2? How do all the platforms keep the same price if different platforms? It's all about market makers, dude. Market makers are the ones that keep the price the way they are. So each of these exchanges, they have a market maker that comes in and basically helps keep the prices where they're at. That's kind of how it all gauges. That's kind of how it all works. You set a price, you set your liquidity, and there you go, dude. So that's kind of how it all works. And I do appreciate the $5, man. Ondo is releasing Ondo coins each month for 3 years, not all one time. Yeah, I want to make sure that's clear too. We can go back and look at that, dude. So I'm just saying that Ondo is releasing. Where the hell is Ondo? Where are you, Ondo? They are releasing a lot. I mean, like releasing tokens every month, but I think they have a short-term release, right? If I go back and I look at token unlocks, we can see right now that we can see right here in what day was it? January. It looks like January 20th. They're going to be releasing a pretty good amount to private sales. You can see right here. There's private sales, protocol development, community access sales, and ecosystem growth. So yes, they've been releasing some for ecosystem growth, but now they're finally releasing some to private sales. Come here January 20th. They're going to be releasing $659 million to private sellers. They're going to be releasing 1.69 billion to protocol development and 306 million to community access sales and 3.2 billion to ecosystem growth. So, I mean, when you start thinking about it, like I don't know exactly how it's all going to work out, but that's a lot of money to be, to be putting out there. So, and I think that's all of it. I don't know if that's exactly how much it's going to be, but that's how they're. I don't think that's what it's going to equate to, but I think that based off what they're showing here, that's what the releases are going to be. That's throughout this whole quarter right here, though. And they're going to release it on small increments. It's not going to be all at once. That's what you're saying here. It's going to be from basically a whole year from January 2025 to January 2026 will be the release in slow increments throughout each of the months. But that's how much total it's going to be released. What's up? Can you check Flare? I'll check it here in a minute. XRP dropping below $2. I hope not. I hope we continue to run, dude. Yo, what's up, XRP King? What's up, Billion? Right, good to see you, man. He said if this is a bear market, we all would know, and it's not. Yeah, it's not a bear market, dude. It's not a bear market. I was just saying if it was a bear market, the signs would tell you to short the market. Also, the Ondo unlock is linear, meaning a small amount every month. Yeah, that's I should have been clear about that. I'm sorry. They're unlocking tokens, but it's going to be small amounts. So, like I said, I just want to get past the first unlock and see what happens. That's the kind of where I'm at. Let's see. Let's go down to the bottom here. I think Viking blocked me. I don't see his comments. What did I do? You have to be a special kind of special to short crypto. Yeah, I can't get myself to short crypto. I'm gonna be honest, dude. I can't get myself to do it. What are some of the short plays? You talking like short plays? Like what kind of plays? Kev. This requires ice water in your veins, dude. 100%. What's up, Robbie Reed? What's going on, man? Hope your positions, your longs worked out for you, dude. No, the longer it stays on the consolidation, now the bigger the boom. Yeah. Well, the good thing is it's been consolidating. Like I put out a tweet today saying that if you're new to crypto and you're not actually building a bag right now, like what are you doing? I mean, these are perfect opportunities to do before the next run. Anyone have thoughts on Arch Block? No real info. I don't know anything about that, Trent. I don't know anything about that. RLSU will take on the place of Tether, but no safety net for BTC. Yeah, that's the kind of scary thing, Michael, is that there is no safety net for that kind of stuff, dude. I got my account unlocked last night from Coinbase. Hey, Hui Rentals. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. Yeah, I kind of think it doesn't need Tether either. Starseed, something quicker with more potential. Selmo, dude. Oh my God, bro. Coming in hot with the $100 banger. Dang, dude. $100, Selmo. Man. XRP Army Strong 2025. Let's go. Hey, Selmo, appreciate you, buddy, for the $100 donation to the channel. That is amazing, dude. Wow. I did not expect that. And you're right. XRP Army Strong, dude. This is I think it's great. We all hold through it. Charts are looking pretty good. And we'll continue to climb out of this, man. Like I said, we'll get back to where we need to be and go from there. So yeah, I appreciate that a ton, man. Thanks so much for the $100. The USDT. I'm not avoiding the USDT thing. I don't think that doesn't bother me. I'm not worried about the USDT thing. I was gonna make a video on it this morning, talking about how like I don't think the USDT thing is gonna be that big. I mean, yeah, it might affect some people, but I don't think it's gonna do anything crazy. Most of the Ondo release goes to growth and development. That's good. That's good, Steve. XRP. Yeah, that's what you probably need. I'll be honest, dude. The private sellers kind of scare me. I was gonna wait till after the first of the year before if I were to get into Ondo, I'd wait. I'm gonna wait till after the first of the year, till the first release to private sellers. I can't wait for some new lenient crypto policies. Yeah, once Trump hits office, even if a small portion of what he said comes true, I agree. Andrew, I'm with you 100%. I can't wait for that to happen too. Volume 1 RSD is 1.5 million. No one is using it yet. Anyways, yeah, talking about that. So there was Charles talking about this. So they came out and announced that they're not going to be actually releasing RLUSD onto blockchains until next year, supposedly. So Charles came out and actually said that he's been working with the team to try to get RLUSD over to Cardano. And this came out before, Cardano, and really what it came down to is he said that they expressed confidence that the stablecoin will launch RLSD on the blockchain next year. So again, if this is any indication, we're talking about in 2026 or 2025, because I'm assuming this is 2024. So we're going to say next year, 2025, they're going to be rolling this out on 2025. So that's good news, right? We don't know exactly when, but sometime next year, we're going to get these on exchanges or on different blockchains. That would be huge for crypto. That'd be huge for XRP. If like you get onto Solana or you get onto Cardano or any of these other places, and next thing you know, boom, you got roughly, I don't know, millions and millions of people using it on that level. So yeah. Can you explain what percentage of your portfolio is long hold versus short hold? Appreciate your. Oh yeah, Brandon. Dude, like 95% of my portfolio is long hold, dude. I'm only buying cryptos that I'm holding for long term. The other 5% is probably just like crap that I purchased and it's just sitting there and I might sell at any given time, like a Pepe. You know what I mean? Like I might sell that at any given time. But yeah, most of my portfolio is long term, and then obviously I play around. I don't include that portfolio when my play around money that I play for swing trades and stuff like that. I'm not really including that because again, that can go into that could be in US dollar tomorrow. So yeah, I'd say majority of my portfolio is long term holds, dude. Again, I'm investing. I'm not trading. So like a majority, 95% of my bag is long term, dude. We've been holding for years. It's been building and accumulating for years. So that's what makes me a investor in this, not a trader. Even though I do day trade and stuff like that, but majority of my investments are strictly investments. Trump promising to set bank fees at $5. Yeah, dude. What's your thoughts on VeChain? I think, dude, VeChain's going to do good. HBAR is going to do really well too. I mean, H bar is already starting to come back up right now. If you guys bought the bottom of this little dip right here with H bar, you're making good money. You're making really, really good money. Let me get this indicator off. This is a nice little bounce back. Look at this. This is actually really bullish for XRP. H bar is actually set up really nicely, right? We came up, created a high, came down, created another high, created another low. We created another high, but we didn't create another low here. We might have been right at the same level, but we created another high, another low. Now we're going to build out, and we need to create another high, which hopefully comes up here. We create another low and build out. Like, that's the goal here, is to, look something like this, right? We come up here, we create another high, right? We'll come down, we'll create another low, and then we create another high. And that's kind of what you want to see, right? So that's kind of what you want to see. So what you don't want to see, you don't want to see this. You don't want to see this come up and go here, and then we come down here, and then we come up here, and then we come down here. Like, that's what you don't want to see. So let's see here. Austin, what wallet do you recommend for H bar? I mean, I still use Ledger, but I mean, a lot of people are using the cold storage. They're using their cold storage. People are saying Tandem wallet is better if you're going to do that. So if you're going to be holding that, you have to go through a couple extra steps with Ledger. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So if you want to do it, Ledger is the way to go. I like Ledger, but some people say Tandem's a lot easier, so you could do that as well. Let's see here. I bought it when you said, oh, what time? Where did you buy it at? Overcoming Demons. Where'd you buy it at? Oh, Treasure Wall. I haven't used that one. Jody, I haven't used that one. Yeah, that's going to be my Viking cap. That is a good question for my dad. When we get the Discord up and going, he could probably help you determine some of that. So yeah, I'm leaving all tax things to the king himself, Dr. Degen. What's the easiest trading platform to learn on? Coinbase for me, dude. I like Coinbase a lot. He likes, yeah, I'm a big Ledger. I like Ledgers, dude. Teach your own though, right? Have to listen in the car today, heading for another Christmas dinner. Hey, Sean, we got family coming over for Christmas too, dude. I'm with you, bro. Tis the season has not ended. Austin, can I call your dad? I have a question. Yeah, you when we get the Discord up and go on T-Bird, you can come into the Discord and yeah, he'll be there. Austin, can you explain what percentage? I already read that. There's a growing speculation about how Ripple cases could be affected by the incoming. I think it's going to be wiped clean, dude. I think they're going to go, let's move on. You have to be emotionalist to profit in crypto. Stick to your plan. Yeah. What's up, Rob? Good to see Rob in the house here. What's up, buddy? I agree 100% with you, dude. How do you do that overlay, Austin? Oh, just go up here. You can come up over here and you can compare new. If you want to compare symbols or compare different charts to different charts, you just go up here to the plus symbol right up here to the top, and then you can do it that way. So yeah, you can do it like that. Let's see here. If I miss some, I'm trying to scroll down. You try Trump gonna FOMO. He can get as much without pumping your. I mean, Kev, November 5th was pretty crazy, right? The run that we've had since November 5th has been nuts. So I think when he raises his hand, we're gonna probably have some more people jumping into crypto. I mean, now it's been solidified. You know what I mean? Yeah, leave the emotional part out. 100%, Dave. Yeah, I would agree. Yeah, leave the emotional stuff out. Probably Kokor. I'm with you. I think they're going to push it too with Trump's. Selmo coming in hot. Hey, Selmo, thanks so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A team. Wow, dude, Selmo's coming in hot today, dude. Thank you very, very much. If Selmo gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Selmo and all 20 members. Thank you so much for becoming members of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and you'll eventually have access to the Discord. So yeah, thank you very, very much, Selmo. You're awesome, dude. Always hold it down for me, dude. And I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much. Austin play around money is like 10x my annual salary. What chart talking about fool? Hey Oz, graphs looking good today. Graphs are looking good, Jeffrey. I mean, right now we're sitting up here with H bars looking good, the chart's looking good. We got even XRP is looking pretty solid right now. Oops, let me get that out of here. XRP is looking really, really good right now. It's funny that people are still pulling off of the same Fibonacci, right? The guy was talking about the 618. I think this is looking really positive. So we're gonna have a nice little turnout here. There is some people out here that were talking about the 5 warning signs. I was gonna talk about this. So there was an article put out here that says 5 sell signals that suggest XRP could crash to $1. So I figured, if we're gonna talk about some news, talk about some positive news, let's talk about the negative news too, and you guys can make assessments. It says, let's explore 5 sell signals at a drop in XRP price. Due to BTC's weakness, the crypto market's outlook could trigger a crash that impacts even XRP. That's one of their arguments here, is that a BTC's weakness. Since when has Bitcoin been weak? I mean, yeah, you're talking when every time Bitcoin's weak or shows less dominance, it's only going to be better for XRP. So I want to kind of dispute these a little bit on the way. So yeah, feel free to throw your thoughts in the fire here. I think it will now drop to under 210. You think it's going to come down to 210? All right. Can I call your dad? Yeah. Oh, thanks so much for the follow. How often do you go live, man? I go live every day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and sometimes at night. Awesome. Thoughts on the graph chart? I haven't looked at it, Alex. I mean, graph's a good crypto. It's called OnlyFans and Only Feet. I have a small portfolio with 800 HBAR. Hey, dude, you got to start somewhere, crypto noob. Thank you for the membership. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, welcome, Paul. Yeah, some was awesome. Imagine being an expert in taxes at some simply, yeah. Tax is just one of those things I don't want to mess with. I noticed the big YouTube channels are promoting Uphold. Oh, are they really? I probably need to download Uphold. I for some reason I've been so against it, dude. How do you do taxes? Did you create an LLC to keep things separate? I do have an LLC, yeah, but that I've had that LLC for a long time. For YouTube and stuff like that. So, but yeah, you could do stuff like that. I mean, having an LLC is important, dude. Having a small business is super important. Thoughts on Doge? I mean, Doge is solid, dude. It says a plummet in XRP's network activity and daily active address suggests that investors are not interested in the remittance token. Oh, dude, these are great. These are great. These are reasons why I just wanted to go over. These are 5 reasons why people are selling XRP, because XRP network activity and daily active addresses suggest that investors are not interested anymore. Also, due to BTC's weakness. This is great. This is great. Austin, how do you keep track of all your profits? I do it on CoinTracker, bro. Double D. CoinTracker.io. I get a message every day. Tells me what my portfolio is at multiple times a day. Dominance on BTC right now is roughly around 60 or 50 some odd percent right now. I think I just pulled it up on the chart right here. I think we're sitting roughly at 57% on a downtrend. So that's good, right? We're up at the high right here. We were up at the high right here at 61, and it's slowly worked its way down. So hopefully we can continue the dominance down. That's what we want. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. It said the 365-day indicator hints a massive unrealized profit, which could trigger a crash if these holders attempt to realize profits. Well, we've been holding for 900 plus days. You're talking about 365 days. We've been holding for 300 or for 900 plus days. Like, I like how they use that against you, right? It's like, dude, this thing has been dormant for 900 plus days. And they're like, the unrealized gains. It kind of cracks me up, dude. The crazy thing is the majority of the people holding XRP are long-term holders and will continue to hold it back because they see the longevity of it. What's a good platform to trade with all the coins? I got Coinbase and feel ripped off. Yeah, there's other people out here that like I said, people like Uphold. There's Binance. It all depends on where you're at in the States, or if not, there's Kraken could be one as well. Some people like Kraken. Joey, what's up, man? I've been telling you XRP entry point is 140. All right, 140. So that you're saying that's the next you're waiting for it to come down to 140, okay? Is that what you're telling me? 140 would put it right down here, which is like basically where this is at right here. There's a massive level of support here. What's up, Val? Good to see you, bud. AuzSOME Austin, Japan is about to go all in on XRP in anticipation of wrapping it in the SEC. Tell me that wouldn't be legit. That would be legit if they did. I mean, hey, they got to compete with South Korea. South Korea owns, a pretty good amount of it right now. So Yeah, we got roughly 1,104 people in here watching from YouTube. Guys, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you can. We got about 22 people on X, and we got roughly 154 people over here on TikTok. Appreciate you guys all being here on this fine Saturday or Sunday, depending on where you're at, afternoon or evening. Thank you guys for being here. It's been fun, man. This is it was nice to wake up and see my, I'm in the profits now. That's why. You guys knew my break even was right around 217, or 217 for my break even on the swing trade that I've been trying to work my way out of. So I'm hoping that this rises another probably 2-3% on the day so I could sell. That's kind of my goal for the day. I will probably take profits today if this continues to rise. So looking good, looking for that. I'll be honest with you guys. That's kind of my goal for the day. I think BTC runs and regains dominance up until the 20th, and drops for a little bit and runs until so you're saying that you think that Bitcoin's going to continue to rise in dominance, and then okay, Rob. All right, we're going to play it out, dude. I'm going to mark this. I'm going to screenshot this, and we're going to come back to it, and I'm going to hold you accountable to it, Rob. Just kidding, buddy. Hey, man, I'm going to take a screenshot. I want to come back to it. I want to revisit, right? I love the predictions. What's rugging, bro? What's up, Brian? Good to see you, buddy. A Team Strong. What's up, T Rex? Yeah. Will ROSU take over Tether? I mean, that's what people are saying. Sean Parson, what's up, buddy? Austin is the most consistent part of my life. Yes. Yes. Many of the corrections 6 weeks, and then by February. We know that Q1s are usually really, really good, right? So here we are right now. You have the first altcoin season pump, boom, hit, dominance goes down. We have the correction, and then full altcoin season because the dominance of this goes down. Also, one thing I want to point out here, this is a pretty good chart. I love this kind of charts. So let me get my fat head out of the way here. So you got Trump wins U.S. election back in 2016, right? Look at this. Bitcoin, everything, crypto markets pump. Right before inauguration, it comes crashing down before inauguration. And then on inauguration day, boom, this thing goes crazy. We rally through the days. You come over here, we're going to repeat history today. Look at this. Trump gets elected. Boom, this thing goes crazy. We're roughly, I don't know, we started a little bit early on the sell-offs, but we're going to continue to sell off probably until inauguration day. We could have some downturns in the market, or at least go flat. And boom, inauguration day comes, and I'm hoping that we match something like this. And then we play Q1, Q2, or sorry, we play all Q1, which is January, February, March. Right here on March, we had a downturn in March, and then we went right into the next quarter, which we tore up the market. So we're anticipating the same exact thing you can see right here. You have basically inauguration day coming up here. It's going to be a little red, probably leading into it. Boom, we hit inauguration day. We're going to probably have a nice rally. We're going to have another little tail off in probably this is going to be right when the FOMC meeting hits. We're going to come in here and we're going to go, okay, we're going to have an FOMC meeting that's going to dump the charts for some reason. They're not going to raise rates, or they're not going to lower rates or do something stupid. So it's going to cause the market to come down. And then we're going to build right back out of it to the next levels for this bull market. This is going to repeat itself. So take a screenshot of this, please. And let's look back at this and say, hey, how close were we to hitting this? Because everything is showing us that the market's going to turn good. It might not be good here in the next week or two. It might take 15, 20 days to get there. But in the end result is we're gonna be in the profits. Austin, what do you think about what happens to the crypto market if they delay the certification on the 6th? They're not going to delay it, dude. There's no way. They're not going to delay it. Biden already came out and said he was going to do a peaceful transfer of power. It's going to be a peaceful transfer of power, dude. I'm sticking with it. I don't see it happening. Plus, you saw Biden's wife. You saw Biden's wife with Trump when they were at the church. I mean, or at that whatever they were. She was all smiling and happy to see him and shaking his hand, giving him the hugs. It's all smoke and mirrors, dude. Uphold has the highest XRP holdings besides Ripple. Okay, I did not know that. I do not, Eliza. I do not have a feet thing, dude. That's I don't know where the hell this all came from. It's kind of wild. It's all sort of a joke, but yeah, I think they're gross. Bitcoin dominance going down isn't always a good thing. Well, I mean, it's a good thing when it comes to altcoin season. That's the best way. Amnesia. That's the best way to track altcoin season is to look at the dominance, because you can look through a history of when anytime Bitcoin loses dominance, altcoin seasons continue to rise. And so if we're all invested in altcoins, obviously you want altcoin season to arrive. The good thing about Bitcoin dominance, even when Bitcoin dominance goes down, and again, you can look at the charts here. I don't make this stuff up. The numbers do. We can look at Bitcoin dominance, right? Let's pull this back. We'll go to the day chart here. I mean, we can look at the previous history of Bitcoin, right? And we can compare it to the dominance chart here, like I did yesterday. And again, some people probably already saw this, but I mean, this is a very good example of what we're going to see here. So pink line is dominance. Here, let me go over here. Let's go to the day chart so you guys on TikTok can see what I'm talking about here. So here's this is Bitcoin dominance here. Oops, go to day chart here. Sorry. As you guys can see right here, right? So Bitcoin dominance was up at roughly 96%. 96% dominance up here throughout all the years, right? Boom. They go into our first bull run with one of our first bull runs in 2016. Well, not our first bull run, but I mean the first one that we're showing here. This thing drops down all the way down to 37% dominance while we still rise. Bitcoin still rose even through losing dominance in the market, right? Then it started to gain dominance back in the market. We started to go into a bear season. Bitcoin's dominance rises. What do you think happens now? Boom, right here about 2021, Bitcoin dominance declines all the way back down to 40%, but Bitcoin continues to rise in price. So that's very positive, right? So even when Bitcoin dominance is down, Bitcoin's rising in price as well. Look at now, right? As Bitcoin's dominance continues to rise, so does the price of Bitcoin itself. And the thing is that even if Bitcoin decides to fall out, which is already showing signs that we're starting to lose dominance again, and hopefully gets back down to the 35% mark, Bitcoin is going to continue to rise, and altcoins are going to continue to rise with it as well. So again, looking at these numbers, we can sit there and say that throughout all the years of tracking Bitcoin dominance, it's been positive. Anytime Bitcoin loses dominance, it's still positive for the markets. I can't believe you bought that crap. Like, dude, what are you doing, man? What's up, everyone? Yeah, what's going on, Jorge? Quote the 12-hour chart. It goes to 216. It's over. If we break 220, hang on like a rocket. All right, SM small. You're talking about XRP, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day to see how this plays out. I mean, I'm kind of excited to sort of see how it plays out. Look, it still looks so bullish, dude. Get rid of this pink chart here. I mean, it's still really, really bullish. Yeah, it's still looking pretty good. Got good levels. Got good levels in here. Even on the 12-hour chart, dude, it's looking good. 12-hour chart's still looking pretty good. I mean, look at that. That's looking good, dude. I don't know what people are saying. I mean, we're still looking really good. Can you explain why the cost of XRP could not settle for $1 once in use? Will the price of XRP make the cost of money transfer skyrocket? It can make the cost of the use of XRP could make the price of XRP go up. Yeah. I don't know if I'm answering the question. With the end of the year, here are the institutions I'm thinking will wash sale tax loopholes. Dude, MTB, a lot of people are going to wash. They're going to wash their stuff. 168 is unbiased. An unbiased called I don't even want XRP. That's true. You don't even own it, do you, dude? What is the next? What happened in 2021 though? So he may be right. Yeah, I mean, you're talking about this right here. You're talking about that right there. Yeah, sorry, I'm really behind on the chat here. I'm gonna scroll down, just guys. If I missed your comments, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to catch up. Any reason XRP went down like that? Just like I said, there's a lot of sales out there. We had expirations coming in. Again, markets are on a downtrend right now across the board. There could be like someone said over here in TikTok, it could be from crypto exhaustion. Who knows? Who knows what people are doing? This thing on a nice little rally. I mean, look at H-bar's looking good. XLM, again, another good one. For people were talking about XLM being good. I mean, this is up a little bit from yesterday. It hasn't gone up a ton, but it's up pretty good. It's on a nice little 12-hour bender upwards. So right here, this is another reason right here. Whales have continued to offload their holdings for the past month. As you guys know, more money has gone to Binance. More whales have moved their money over to Binance and things like that. There was more cash reserves on hand, which is another sign that people are selling. Technical suggests XRP could trigger a 31% crash as it hovers inside descending triangle. So again, a descending triangle is also what they what you could consider a, let's go back and look at XRP. You could also look back and say that a descending triangle is also a kind of like where the bull flag is. So you have a triangle that's descending. So that's kind of what people, when you see people drawing these lines, they'll create these like, little triangles, and they'll say, okay, where's this thing leading to? They'll create these, they'll do these, like all these line charts on here. They'll make it look like it's, all fancy and shit. But really what it's coming down to is they're saying that this is leading to a, certain level here. So they're going to continue to dry this out and try to meet a certain point, right? So they'll do like, it's continuing down into a triangle. Again, I'm not drawing all the number. I'm not drawing all here. I don't think you need to do all those lines. I think you could pretty much see with your own eyes where it's at, based off of the fibs, based off of the EMAs, volume, RSI. That kind of tells you where you need to go. But hey, teach our own on how we look at charting. Nothing, not saying you have to do it or can't do it. Yeah, it shakes the news. Yeah, 168 is not bear. I mean, like, it could come down. Like I said, you got to set your sell orders. You got to have your prices right. Set your stops. All that kind of stuff. People should be prepared, especially if you're day trading. People should be prepared. What's your price prediction for HBAR and XRP in 2025? I've already said 7 for XRP is what my goal is. And I'm pushing like $2 for HBAR, dude. I think HBAR has a lot of room to grow. I think their partnerships alone, I think they're just what they got going on. I think they have there's just massive potential for them. Fortunately, I won't be rich like the rest of you, but at least I'll still have more than I do today. Heck yeah, Bugstown. That's good. That's good. Yeah, keep your head up. All the money, gold, silver, 100 quad divided by 100 billion equals 1 million per XRP. Where'd you get that, Michael? Do you have crypto exhaustion? Take 2 XRP. XRP ripples all the way through your body, giving you Manny from Miami. Austin trying to play like he don't know where I don't even know where they came. Oh, I don't remember where it came from. We talked about, we're talking about it. I know where it came from, but I'm just saying, like, it's still, you got a little wild, dude. Quote from Austin, dude, feeder. 589. How can we learn to read charts for being new to this? You just got to put in time, Jorge. You just got to put in time. Find people that you like to watch, and just go in there. Like I said, find people like Crypto. He's a good chart person. He puts together a lot of charts and things like that to read. And so just go recreate these things. Helps you get better at making charts. Are you planning on taking profits for USDT? No. I'm not sweating the whole USDT thing. I don't know why everyone's so freaked out about the USDT thing. Sorry, I meant the internet computer underperforming. Yeah, I mean, it's just there's a lot of competition out there for what ICP is doing, VeChain, all those guys. Internet of Things is kind of a big thing out there. Pump the price. What's up, Feely? What's up, Feely? Bro, can you confirm by 2025 Apple will join the governing council of HBAR? Dude, if it does, that'd be crazy, right? We already know that they've had some big names. So here's every halving, right? Every time we have a halving, we go into a bull run. I mean, this is gonna happen. Like you can't look at this and say it's not gonna happen. Like, this is all of a sudden now we've flipped it and this is gonna be red. Sean Parsons. Yeah, I am. I love how you guys make up stories on it as an excuse for price action. Wouldn't that disapprove the historic charts you look at? Yeah, there'll definitely be I mean, right here, well, I don't know. Like I said, going down to, like, when you look at these charts, though, it's going to be interesting to see. I mean, like, I don't know if I see a price. You're right. We could see a price go down. We could see a price go down to 140 right before you see a massive pump. It could happen. Can you share the way you normally make decisions to set stop losses? And I'm a bit confused on a set stop loss. Whenever I'm planning to set a stop loss, I get FOMO. It bounces back on the lower price. So I do my thing, Yang. I'm a little different on how I do my trading, right? I don't do it like what everyone else does. I mean, people can still do like how I do it. It's just a matter of how they want to do it, I guess. Let me lower this a little bit so we can fit it in the screen here. So again, when I go for a stop limit here, you put a price in here of where you want it to stop, and then you put a limit price. But I like to trail mine. Some people will say, okay, I'm setting it at, if this sells at 220, or if this price hits 220, I'm selling my bag. They put a stop. Okay. I like to do it the other way around, to where because I don't like to miss the FOMO, right? Because again, this is my own psyche, is where if this is on, I set it behind it. Like I'll set it like, so if it's at 220, I'll set it, and I don't want it to go past 217 in terms of price. My stop limit, my stop price will be 217. My limit price then will be like 216, whatever, so that it hits one of those. Because I don't want to lose, I don't want to miss out on the pump. And if it pumps, then I just keep moving up my stop loss. Some people like to put it above, like Manny did. Manny actually did a week ago. He put it above, and so when it hit 225 or 220 or whatever he's trying to take his profit on, it triggered. But then it went past there by 5 cents, and he missed out on the 5-cent pump right there. But it came back down anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm just saying, I want to chase that 5 extra cents. You know what I'm saying? So it's all a matter of how you want to look at it. There's no right or wrong way. Just set your stops so you make your profits. That's all it really comes down to. Diesel, what's up, buddy? XRP cooking H-bar King. I saw your DM to me. Yeah, dude. H-bar is looking good right now. Up 3.5% on the day. You can't beat that. So hey, just make money. Thanks so much for the roses. Deb, thanks so much for the ice cream. Hearts. We got Deb, the hearts and the ice cream. We got Angelo with the hearts, or with the roses. Michaela, thanks so much for the rose. T-Rex, thanks so much for the hearts as well. You guys are awesome over here. Deb also sending in the TikTok logo 10 times. Dang, you guys thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. Appreciate that a ton. Ghost, what's up, bud? What's the best month next month for crypto to rise? Q1, dude. Q1 of this next Q1 and Q2. It's looking pretty promising. Austin, I don't worry about the tether thing either. Yeah, I'm literally not sweating the tether thing. I don't understand why everyone's getting so worked up over the tether thing. Greatness rewards those who see the next move before it happens. I would agree, Lindsay. Yes, I would agree. Roan, what's up, bud? Feels like people either love or hate XRP weird, but maybe meme coins fever or FOMO mixed in. But I hope everyone wins. I'm with you, Roan. Hey, you'll have mixed results, bro. And that's kind of how crypto is, you know. But yeah, just we just want everyone to win. I just want everyone to win too. Trust me. I don't want anyone to lose in this whole deal. It kind of sucks when you start losing, you know. Steve, thanks so much for the $2 donation. Appreciate that ton, Steve XRP. We got Shannon in the house here. What's up, buddy? Good to see Shannon. Like the what BS narrative for short-term price action. Ever disapproved the cycle theory? No. I don't know. I have made too much on stop loss. How to? You're not gonna be able to avoid taxes. That's great. Every YouTuber saying it's about to break out and pump, but goes down or trade sideways. Yeah, I think we're gonna. I mean, we have a chance for a breakout. That's really what this comes down to, right? We'll see what happens. We'll see if a breakout happens. You know, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I just think that we're setting ourselves up nicely here. We're going into a 12-hour where this thing can. When I say breakout, like I'm talking, it could break out, go back up here to 235, right? Breakout from where it's at, meaning that we're going to have a nice little rally. And again, a breakout could be like a 10% rally, right? That's a breakout right there. 10% rally is good, right? If we can break out from where we were down here at 211, you got to think just 2 days ago, we're not even 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago, we're at 211. So people were buying at 211. If we can get a 10% increase, that's a price breakout, dude. 10% increase is a great price breakout, right? Yeah, don't think like, I mean, I think you're thinking a price breakout is like boom, it's going to go up here to, you know, $3. That's a price breakout, 41%, which would be a price breakout. But I'm just saying, like, I'm thinking like short-term price breakout, 10%. I'm hoping that we get something like anywhere from a 5 to 6% increase on the day or in the next 24 hours. So I can at least exit my trade that I'm in right now. So a price breakout for me is that. Here is a set tax rate when you sell. There's no, just basically it's roughly around 30 to 33%. It all depends on your tax bracket. So, you know, how many kids you got, if you have a house, you know, what your write-offs are, what your dependents are, all that kind of stuff. H-bar is king right now, the real world. H-bar is looking nice. I will admit, H-bar is it looks pretty good. Hey, 3 digit, what's up, buddy? News are up and down. I mean, we're in a basically we've turned this around in a day. So this is on the 12-hour chart, 4-hour chart's looking good too. Like I said, I hope we can continue this upward trend. I made too much on a stop loss. How to avoid taxes? I don't. You can't do it, Steve. Just pay your taxes, bro. Just pay your taxes. You'll help alleviate a lot of stuff. Hit that like button. Rob got it. Amazing coins there to burn. Have 3,000 to spend on crypto next week. Is there anything other than HBAR and XRP you recommend me looking at? I mean, XLM's a great one, Andreas. We were just talking about XLM. This thing is when this thing comes back, dude, this thing's gonna come back, and you're gonna, like I already said, Caspa is another one I've been looking at as a potential breakout. But I mean, this is down 44% now. It was 45 yesterday. It's 44 today. And so XLM obviously follows that of XRP. And so when this does have a price breakout or even a bigger breakout, I think you just have a bigger chance to have a bigger return. That's all. Yeah, taxes are a big scam. I would agree, dude. What are you saying, Richard? What was the name of you recommended from learning charts again? I didn't catch it. Oh, one of the persons I first watched back in the day, his name was Tom Crown. He doesn't put out too many of those videos, but the videos he does have out there is great. And there's another guy that I watched for some stuff too. What the hell is his name? Let's see here. What is his name? He does a lot of altcoin season stuff. I can't think of his name. Hold on a second. As soon as it pops up, I'll be like, oh yeah, that's the guy. Oh, where is it, dude? I can't find it right now. Oh, right here. Money ZG. Money ZG is the guy's name. He does a lot of good stuff too. Glad you joined us. Yeah. So what's your opinion on the idea of them delisting? I'm not really sweating it, Tobias. America made crypto on taxes. Yeah, dude. They're taxing the hell out of it, dude. Amazing coin for you. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Take profit limit. It's so that Drano. What's up, Dranos? It's so, you're talking about take profit. You're talking about this right here. The limit price. Well, it's because it's in case your stop loss doesn't hit, you have that as well. So that's kind of where that comes from. It says right here, Bitcoin's 15% drop from all-time highs of 108,000 caused the crypto markets to crumble. Top altcoins, including XRP, that were up massively, have retraced most of their gains. Due to most of their gains, dude, we're up 400% still. What the hell is he talking about? This article, who wrote this article? CoinGape. Man, I think people are not realizing, like, when in doubt, zoom out. We are all of our cryptos are on this massive 400%. When they say massive have retraced to take away most of their gains, what are you talking about, dude? This thing has barely retraced. Due to altcoins' high correlation with Bitcoin, they need to trend, follow the path set by the leader. I can't read this guy's stuff anymore. Okay, you get delisted. You're delisted from the channel. CoinGape is delisted from the channel officially, right there. What's the difference in hot and cold storage? Well, hot is just disconnected. It's like a software. Like this is a hotware wallet right here. Like MetaMask right here. This is called a hot wallet. It's a decentralized, non-custodial wallet that you can move money into off of an exchange. You own the keys, you own the crypto, but it's still a hot wallet because it's connected to the internet. Cold storage is something you can actually plug and put into your like you can unplug like this. Oops, like this and like this. And you can actually take this and plug this, take it out. It's disconnected from the internet. All my crypto's on here. And then I move this in, put it into a safe or wherever I want to. Spamming crypto. Yeah, I get them. Supposedly BlackRock sold 188 million of Bitcoin. How would that affect Bitcoin? Well, it's definitely going to hurt Bitcoin. I mean, you got to remember back when the ETFs opened up, there was Grayscale and BlackRock were buying and selling. They want you to exit. So what the goal with institutions, I'm going to tell you guys right now, take out a pen if you need to. It's not that hard, but if you need to write down. The whole goal of institutions They want you to sell. They do not want retailers to own this, right? They want you to they want to make this more expensive and more expensive. They want to be able to control. Uh, they want to be able to control the price of Bitcoin, and the more they hold, the more power they have when it comes to the pricing of Bitcoin. And it's no different than the dollar, no different than the U.S. Treasury and all that kind of stuff. The more they have, the more power they have behind it. So they want retail investors to exit their positions. They don't want people to. This is the biggest transfer of wealth ever in the history of the United States. People owning digital assets like Bitcoin. Now that the institutions are here, they want you to exit your position. So what do? They will cause you to come up, and then they will sell. They'll cause you to sell, and then they're going to make it harder. And eventually, what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to buy Bitcoin on the open market. That's what eventually is going to happen. You're going to have to go through an institution like like a Coinbase, who's eventually going to be like a Fidelity for crypto, which is basically what they already are. And you're going to have to go through, and they're going to be the ones setting the fees. But once they hold a massive amount of it, they control the whole thing. And it's going to be harder and harder and harder for you and me to actually get our hands on Bitcoin. And so people eventually here in 20 years will be only being able to buy Satoshis. They're gonna be able to buy 0.000001, Satoshi per Bitcoin. That's what they'll be trading in, Satoshis. They won't even be able to hold a Bitcoin. And it's because of the power of these institutions that are going to continue to make you guys become sell your positions, and then they take your Bitcoin. You sell your Bitcoin back, they take that Bitcoin, they hold on to it. Then another Bitcoin comes in, they you buy that one, you have it, you sell it, they take that from you, and they'll eventually, over the years, they're going to continue to grab to where eventually you can't actually buy it anymore. So that's what's happening right now, and they're going to continue to do it throughout the years until, like I said, people eventually either are holding it or they're not. Yes, learning from the Bitcoin journey provides valuable lessons. Yep. Holding on my XRP and H bar. Heck yeah, my stomach bloated due to stress. Don't stress, Bamas. Don't stress. Exactly. It's all about control. Always has been, dude. That's all it is. They're just trying to get you these things. That's all this is about, dude. That's all it's about. And as long as you finally, if you can wrap your head around how that's working, and you just okay, that's what they're doing, it's going to make you realize that holding your crypto into a cold storage, having the keys and having the tokens and being in control of it, then they can't. That's why decentralization is going to be huge. Decentralization is going to be giant. You got to think, the more centralized crypto becomes, the bigger decentralization becomes, because a lot of us are decentralized maxis. A lot of us do not like centralization. The reason why is because we believe in free speech. We believe in, we believe in the Second Amendment, the First Amendment. We believe in all these things, right? But what happens is when you start to take away those things, that's almost like becoming centralized in some way. That's why we don't have socialism here in America. That's why we don't have socialized medicine here in America, even though Obamacare is kind of socialized in some way. But it's because a lot of Americans don't want that. At least I don't. And so a lot of that's why we don't want banks we don't want banks to control what we can and can't do. We don't want banks to control, shutting down our bank account because, they don't agree with our political background or whatever it might be. Right. And so that's what it comes down to with decentralization is I don't want banks to hold my money. I want to hold my money. I don't want a bank to collapse. And then all of a sudden I'm going, crap, I can't get out of this. So decentralization is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. The more centralization gets, the bigger decentralization gets. That's why I talk about Uniswap and SushiSwap and all these decentralized networks. Those are the keys to crypto. That's Coinbase and Binance and all them. That might sound all fancy right now and today, and that's an easy way to get into crypto and an easy way to do all this kind of stuff. But that is not the end. That's not the end all be all of crypto. The end all be all of crypto is you owning your assets and using the decentralized platforms to trade those assets to bring, and like I said, to bring in your own wealth. And then, like I said, when we start using those assets in the real world is when we'll actually be able to have the wealth that we want and not have to use banks or institutions. I went on a major tangent right there of nonsense. So I don't even know if it made sense. In my head, it made sense. So Casey, let's see here. You can get a ledger.com. Oh yeah, I can. I give you guys a ledger. If you want me to, I can give you guys, like I said, I don't usually give out, I don't like the whole affiliate thing here. But I do have a affiliate link if you want to click on and use for any ledger stuff. You could. It's right here. At least you know you clicked on the right place. There, I'll put it in the chat. Austin, did you ever mess with the Embers app to get the free I did not. I looked it up though, Tim. I looked it up though. Yeah, and healthcare is free. Yeah, Sweden and in Canada, healthcare is free. All that kind of stuff is free. But what happens with free medicine is that you get like America, they take advantage of it, and the taxpayers, we end up getting screwed out of it. So it's kind of a crazy deal. Democrats get in charge and make banks create crypto and ban all the other crypto. Hey, that could happen, dude. I just practiced tax delay once. If you catch me, you can have it. Sounds good to me. All right. That's funny. Let's see here. Calvin is good. Calvin's good. Listen any meme coins to buy. Yeah, I don't really do meme coins, dude. Even though I will say that the people from the Phoenix thing is wild, dude. I get a kick out of that thing. Just smash the button. Yeah, appreciate you, Nina. Would it be a good idea if we all retail investors got together and got an affordable coin to combat Bitcoin? I don't know, dude. Because again, people will just come and take it back over. You know what I mean? So make as much money as you can this year, then put money into a utility coin. Yes, it's probably something that wouldn't be a bad idea. Oh yeah, welcome Danny. Welcome Danny. There's no free. They just stick to this. You're true, right, Jeffrey? There is no free. Does H4 diet help with the wrestling? No, it doesn't. The H bar. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, we're trying to get back up to the 219. We're hitting around this 219 marker right now on XRP here. What's your highest prediction of XRP in 20? I'm holding. I think 7. I'm trying to 7. If we get above $7, I'll be super excited. I got medical through the VA, socialist style Medicare. You don't want it. Yeah, my dad hates. I mean, the VA. He likes it because they obviously take care of him, but it's just really hard to get an appointment and do everything. No, that's the only thing. I would agree, Kev. That's the only thing that's impeding. That's the only thing impeding the on and off ramping of crypto is the only thing impeding. But the more opportunities that we can get to spend, like, so if Bitcoin gets to the chance where we can actually spend Bitcoin in the real world or be able to token, things can be bought. Like I said, if we could actually use Bitcoin as a thing to purchase or like make small transactions, like that is going to be that will solve decentralization. If we could actually then spend the crypto of which we hold, like a Bitcoin in a real setting, that would change decentralization like we've never seen before. Because then you just use your Bitcoin as if it was fiat, and at that point, didn't matter. You could move your you could use your ledger, move it over to a hot wallet, then use your hot wallet to then make the purchases of wherever you wanted to do. So yeah, that I would agree, Kev, that right now we want to be decentralized, and to get to there, you got to have it to where Bitcoin or some driver becomes the currency that we use in the real world. And I think we're on the path for that. I do believe we are on the path for that. If I DCA on a red indicator for a long order and I think it might be a good entry, I'll set my stop loss 2 to 3% lower than the entry price when the market is only fluctuating around 3 or 5. Yeah, Yang, it's up to you on your strategies. You know what I mean? Yeah, mess around with it, find the strategies that work for you and do them. You know what I mean? And if it doesn't, try it that one time. And if you liked it, you keep doing it. If you don't really like it, it didn't really work out how you planned, adjust it and go from there. So, although I'm thankful for the VA, I would never be able to get a double. Yeah. Yeah, my dad's thankful too. It's kind of crazy. Jam, what's going on, man? 1 Bitcoin or 50 XRP, 50,000 XRP. I'm again, I hold both. My bigger bag, Thailand Brin is Bitcoin. That's my largest bag. Bitcoin as fiat won't work. Nobody wants to spend it because, well, gains, every economy would contract. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, like I said, it would be awesome if we'd be able to get to that level, Kev. You know what I mean? Be able to use it as a form of payment to some degree, just like we use fiat. I mean that's kind of the way we want to all go. Whether it happens that way, I don't know. But I mean that's kind of what the I guess the hopefulness of it all is. And the more that it gets adopted, the easier it will be to do that. So Turbo to list on Coinbase. Oh, Robinhood. Oh, really? I didn't know that. That's crazy. So before we're on inauguration, does the price go down and then go up, or the other way around? Here's a good example. I'll show you. Boom. Let me get let me get the comment out of the way. So here's a previous example. Trump wins U.S. election back in 2016. Parks go crazy. Boom. Everything gets excited. Then right before inauguration, we go into a downturn over a couple months. Here we are probably about a couple weeks. This is a weekly chart. It looks like it's probably a weekly chart. Then here we go. We're going into an election. Boom, he gets elected. We go crazy. Now we're in this like little consolidation phase right here. And then you can see right here on inauguration, things went nuts. On inauguration, we can expect things to go crazy for the next probably Q1 or not Q1, probably half of Q1. And then we'll have another little sell-off session here, which would be usually around the FOMC meetings. And then we have a nice little rally. So, I mean, if history repeats itself, this is looking pretty damn promising. I can spend BTC now, but I refuse to. Most are the same. Yeah, I'm not touching my Bitcoin's going to stay where it's at. Going live in 30 minutes. All right, dude. Appreciate you, Jared. Thanks for coming in here and chilling. We'll see you later. You're sleeping on ASM Assemble I 50 million. Who was talking about Assemble I? Someone was talking about Assemble AI. Was that you, Tim? Who was talking about Assemble AI? I can't remember who it was. You could use Bitcoin to buy some pizza. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Was that my reaction to Austin saying 50,000 XRP? Someone was saying something about on the channel, saying something about Assemble AI. I don't know who it was. Just got rugged on butthole Solana meme. Lost $2. Oh man, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. So yeah, if you look at the charts here, charts are looking pretty good, right? And again, we know that we're heading into a nice little green run here. You know, we know that altcoin season is going to come into full effect here as Bitcoin dominance goes down. You know, so you have other people out here saying the pullback's good. This is one thing that's nice right here is that the increase in usage suggests an XRP price. So XRP ledger shows signs of increasing usage. So obviously, the more money that's leaving exchanges going into ledgers, and XRP leaving exchanges going into ledgers is really big. So you got to track more of that. Commodities don't work as currencies. You need to be incentivized to spend. That's true, Kev. You know, if you look at this like I said, I put out a video. Some guy was like pissed off that I said I was talking about market caps with XRP, and I was giving examples. Like if you look at it from a market cap standpoint, or look at it if you're looking at XRP as from a stock standpoint or a security standpoint, then use market cap. If you're not, and you're looking at it more from a commodity standpoint, then it doesn't matter. And it was just like, I don't know, but you're right. It doesn't matter. You could trade, you know, you could look at it from a commodity standpoint because we don't actually trade in gold anymore. So a bunch of people are spamming in your short video earlier today with, yeah, I can't get rid of them, dude. I don't even know why. It's kind of the spams are going to be there, and I honestly can't do anything about it. So yeah. My Ultra Journey, what's up, buddy? Hope all is well on your Saturday as well. A good wallet for XRP. Yeah, a lot of people like that, Pablo Martinez. Yeah, some people really like that wallet. Give them the boot. I try, dude. They'll come right back like 10 times harder. They'll come back like 10 times harder, dude. Be nice if we can get above this 219 and stay above the 219 level. We're gonna let's see, the 4-hour closes. 4 hours looking like it closes here at noon. So right around noon, we'll have a nice little close here. 12 hours. 12 hours going to close at 16. Yeah, we'll close at 6. We'll close at 6 o'clock tonight. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. Try to get to this 119. The good thing is the 100-day EMA is sitting here about this 119. So it'd be nice to get back up to the moving average to the 1 We're right here at the point six, the 6.2, the 6.5, and the 618, but we're right at the bottom level of the 6.5 right here. Be nice to get back up here. That's where the 100-day EMA is actually tracking right now. On the let's go to the 4 hour here. Let's go to the 1 hour. You guys can zoom in a little bit on the 1 hour. You can see right here that the 100-day is actually tracking right here. So that volume profile, yeah, this is the volume profile right here. You can just go right up here into your indicators. Right here into your indicators, it's the visible range volume profile. Is Flare a long-term hold? Yeah. Yeah, I like Flare. What's your strategy for investing in coins for quick profits? Just trying to trying to time the lows and buying into them and then selling. I mean, that's kind of the goal, dude. I don't know how else to say that, but that's, yeah, you're trying to just find for any day or swing trades, just trying to find the lows and watch when these things retrace to be able to buy them to where they come back up. And so hopefully we bounce back up in here to the 220, 223 level, bounce back above there and try to fight this 225 level. That's kind of the goal. Muff token, no way. Let's see here. BTC tried to peer cash. Yeah, it failed. I would agree. Yeah, I know, Kevin. I know it did. I'm just saying that's kind of what you want, though. At least that's what I want. I'm walking to work to save on petrol money so I can buy XRP. Be safe, Dangerous Dave. Be safe. Walking is actually an extremely risky. We talk about risk assessment. Walking is like one of the number one riskiest things out there is walking on a public road. Too expensive, too slow. Yeah, they got to find a way to make it to be faster and least expensive. Less expensive. How that happens, I don't know. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Let's see here. Let's see here. Do you know who endorsed Flare? Oh, you're asking who endorsed Flare? You're talking who are the people that are endorsing, like in terms of companies, like all the companies that are endorsing them? Is that what you're asking me? I gotta find this example here. Sorry, I'm trying to find this example here real quick. Yeah, here we go. So coming to the end of the quarter here. Look at this, dude. 2024 Q4 ends at a 49% increase. Q1, look at that, of the next year of 20. Look at Ethereum, dude, 59. So we can go down and look at every year, 3%. Look at this, 160 going into an election, right? 160. This is going to be pretty crazy to see how this turns out. Going into the end to then going into the next year, 5% went to 160. I think we're going to have a nice little return here in Q1 of this election year. What is the smallest investment? What's the smallest investment in XRP? I don't know. Let's see here. Which one is better for long term, XLM or HBAR? I'm Bugstown. I'm kind of sold on HBAR right now. I have a lot of money. Flare can attach to non-contract platforms because a price correction is necessary to weed out the weak hands and get rid of those who are not in for a long term. Yeah, XLM is definitely longer established. They've been around for a lot longer. I just like where HBAR is going with a lot of their, like I said, you look at their count, who's on their team, their council, all that stuff is just looking good. People who support them, I kind of dig that kind of stuff. So Yeah, it's kind of good. What's the indicator you're using below, dude? Can you share the name? Are you talking about the RSI? This right here, this indicator right here. Yeah, it's right here, Stash RSI, right here. You can zoom in on that, take a screenshot. Those are my things, but that's what that is right there. And then I have a volume oscillator down here as well, which you can't see. You can pull it up. There's a volume one right here. I'll raise up here, and that tells you the volume going in on this hour. So there you go. Let me get the comment out of the way. There it is. So this is an oscillator down here. So it's called the no, it's called the oh, where the hell did it go? It's called the variable volume oscillator by neobutane. I bet you didn't check out the Glassnode Pi cycle top, did you? I did. I looked at it on stream, dude. I looked at it on stream. At least I thought I looked at it on stream with you. The top. The top's not in yet on it, right? It's coming close though. It's getting close. I thought I looked at it on there with you. Did I not? I thought I looked at the Glassnode Pi. I thought I did. Here, let me see if I did or not. Let's see here. Load up on H bar. Is there a resistance from going lower than you need to buy more XRP? If there's resistance from going lower, then you need to buy more XRP. Can you use volume delta as well for crypto? Yeah, you could probably look at any volume. Could probably tell you. Tether delisting affected XRP December 30th. I don't think so, dude. I don't think it's gonna affect anything. How does the oscillator you are using compared to MACD? Again, I think I mean, for me personally, dude, I just like it's the same thing. They basically recreated it. So yeah, yeah, it's kind of the same thing, dude. Right. You have you could use a line or you could use a bar graph, really. Same kind of style. I got XRP at an average of 99, sometimes going up and down. Chainlink is solid. I'm waiting for it. Yeah, Chainlink's good. I like Chainlink. What's the difference between XRP and Stellar? A lot of things. Buster's Network channel on YouTube is really good for technical analysis and charts. He's very thorough. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, definitely find something that you guys like for TA that work out for you for sure. Got some at 0.83 buying ever since. What's a good average on XRP? Mine's at 0.6 now, plus 5 tokens. That's pretty good average, Andreas. That's pretty good average. That's a pretty good average. You looked at something recommended, but not exactly what he wanted you to go. You looked at something. Oh yeah. Sorry. I was looking at I got sidetracked with the other thing. Yeah, the Pi cycle top indicator. I thought I pulled this up. All right, so here's what the Pi cycle top indicator looks like on the Glassnode. So basically what it's saying is that if you look at every time this crosses So anytime this thing touches right here, we have the 111-day basically moving average, and anytime the 100-day reaches the 350, we've reached our top basically. And it hit right here. You can see it crossed over right here, and we hit our top right there. I could zoom in a little bit right there. So you can see right here, it crossed over and hit that top. And then over here, again, we did it again. Let's see, let me zoom back out here. And then here we are, 18, 18, 18, 22nd. We rose all the way up. So every time this actually happens, this crosses over, we hit our top. So right now, we haven't actually crossed over yet. This is back in 21. So we're getting close. Like he's saying, watch this as an indicator when this crosses, when this 111-day moving averages comes up to hit this 350-day moving average. When that time comes, it crosses over, we've reached our top. Is that what you're saying there, Kev? I thought I pulled this up last time, but I could be wrong. Linda, I was just saying that for people that are buying the people that are worried about the sell-offs that are going to happen with XRP, like this isn't their first time where they've unlocked tokens. Yeah, Evo, we put tokens into it. Yeah, we moved it over to a cold storage. Yeah, definitely over to a cold storage. Trump is way into Chainlink. Yeah, he might be, dude. Bull over? No, we're not. And based off this indicator right here, it's looking like we're not as well. If you want to, if Kev wants to come in and chime in, I think you're getting there, but it's still moving up. Does Coinbase premiums insure your money on the exchange? Yeah, $250,000. It's every month. Yeah. Honestly, could you see XRP over 100 to 1,000 by 26, 27? No, I don't think. I think that's too high. What about 250K? Oh, Coinbase. If you pay for the premium on Coinbase, so if you pay for a premium on Coinbase, sorry, let me get this squared away here. If you pay for things on Coinbase, just a sec, sorry, just a sec, guys. I gotta get my mic. There we go. On Coinbase, if you pay for premium, it's $299 a month. They will also insure your money up to 250,000. I mean, I use it. It's $299 a month for the premium one, and yeah, I save so much money on trades and stuff like that. They don't charge any trade fees. Realistically, let's see. Oh, honestly, could see XRP over 100. Yeah, I can't see that. My XRP is currently on Binance. Would it be worth moving it to my Coinbase? It'd be worth moving it to a cold storage. Happy New Year's, everyone. A team for the bed. You too, Franco. Good to see you, buddy. Robinhood blocks for day trading for free versions. Oh, really? Damn. Oh, they block. Yeah, you got to pay for Robinhood too. Yeah, Austin, I'm getting FOMO. Didn't buy the dip. Max alert. Yeah, this one's it's kind of going slow right now. It's not moving anything crazy, so that's okay. Why keep coins on exchange? Keep them in a wallet. Yeah, definitely. Get a cold storage, get a ledger or something like that. Account or transfer it to my Coinbase wallet. You could do it to a Coinbase wallet, or like I said, get a ledger and keep it in a cold storage. Why keep coins on exchange? What cold storage do you use? I use Ledger. I put the link in my here. I'll put the link in my. I have a link here. I'll put into my. If you want to check out the Ledger I use, I'll put it in the description box, and you can go check it out. How about that? Let me put it. Let me put it in the description box here real quick. Uh, There we go. It's in my it's in the saved in the description box now if you want to check that out of the video. What's up? What's going on, Eamon? Or Emin? I think it's Eamon or Emin. What's up? What's up? 100% sure cold store. 100% use cold storage or learn the hard way when your exchange folds. Yeah, that's going to be the hard way. Kind of newbie, but been holding some XRP since 50 cents. But as long-term holder and a newbie, I wanted to know the bet. Yeah, dude, go invest in a cold storage, dude. You'll save yourself a lot of heartache. You look American. How do you have Coinbase? Well, because Coinbase is an American-based company. Oh, Binance. Oh no, I don't have Binance. I don't have Binance. I don't have Binance. I was like, what are we talking about, Simon? Yeah, I don't have there was Binance. Yeah, I don't Binance. You can't use Binance here. Michaela. Hey man, in your opinion on the BTC miners? Thanks. BTC miners, I mean, like it's hard to I mean, if you own your own BTC miner, that's good, right? But it's not you're gonna have to get into a pool. You look You're looked my look, yeah, right, Michaela? I didn't know what to really say. I was like, "Whoa, all right, it's kinda different." But yeah, I don't use Binance, bro. We can't use it here. Uh, I got a Tandem. They're affordable and super easy. Yeah, Tandem people are saying, "I gotta get I should probably get a Tandem just to mess around with it." You still think BTC will hit 100K by January? I think, yeah, I think Trump get inaugurated is gonna cause the markets to do well. And here's if you don't want to, I don't have it. I have to share it over here with you guys. But yeah, and everything points that crypto markets are going to do well. Yeah, very well could. Do you need a PC for cold storage? Yeah, yeah, you do. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying, Michaela. Where's XRP God candles? Soon, soon, soon. Everyone says soon, right? We just got to get above this. We need to get back to this 100-day moving average. Let's get back above this. It's right here at the 219.88. That'd be good. That'd be a good level to get above. Tangent is good for beginners. There you go. Yeah, it can be used on mobile. Well, yeah, you can use. So you can use like Ledger Mobile or Ledger Live. You can use on your phone. So that's always legit. You can use it on here. So long time holder of XRP XLM, planning on long term hold for those looking for something to buy. Yeah, those are good buys. What about Trump? Will it go back down? No, everything shows that Trump's gonna be looking pretty, dude. Everything's gonna be looking good. Hey, Will, thanks so much for the ice cream, and Thailand Burn, thanks so much for the roses. Appreciate that over here on TikTok. Got a good old awesome Austin that just joined. That's hilarious. Exodus is good starting point. Okay, yeah. So we're getting a lot of people in here that have different wallets and stuff like that. So here we go. Can we stay above the 219? See if we can build above this 219 level. That'd be nice. 219.02. Tandem easy for H bar. Yeah, that's what people were saying is that tandem's pretty easy for if you have H bar. Yeah, ledgers can be a little bit of a hassle, but once you get it on there, it's easy. They use okay. They use NFC on your phone. So Viking Cat's liking Tandem as well. I just bought my hubby the 2-pack Tandem cold wallet. Haven't tried them yet. Okay, I might have to give it a try. What plan are you using on TradingView? How much does it cost? I think it's like $65 a month for the TradingView. I think it's the premium one. I have to go back and look. Tell you the truth, I don't know. I don't know. Good question. I don't know what it cost. We can look though. Let's see here. I am in. Oh, that doesn't tell me either. Yeah, good question. I don't even know I don't even know what I'm paying for. You think I would know that, right? Account and billing. I'm paying for the premium, and it costs me $65 a month. Premium is $65 a month. So I was right. I was right. Yeah, TradingView is legit. TradingView is a legit place to go. Hey, Timothy, thanks so much for the $5 donation. Tima seems to be consolidating well and above the breakout. I appreciate you guys. Tim, you guys are unrelenting. I'll give you that. The Tima team is unrelenting, and I appreciate you guys donating to the channel and keeping us updated. Thank you very, very much. I love it, dude. I like the Eli Pal. It's an air gapped and affordable. I don't know if I've looked into that one. Crypto Realist really liked the Safe Pal cold storage he had, and that's what he always he like was like, this is the best one I've ever had. Jeez, Kev, that seems so. I don't know. You didn't answer my question, Kev. Is this what you're asking me to? Is this what you're asking me to look at? Love my Tangem ring and card. Okay, there you go. I love my SafePal. Okay, so Brandon Keys has a SafePal. Austin don't like memes or Crow. I like Crow. I like Crow. Just that, guys. Ah, I lost it over here. I disconnected. Oh, sorry, guys. TikTok went down. Sorry, TikTokers. My bad. Do you think Flair? I like Crow. It's just a slow mover. They got to do some things. Yeah, right, Jake. They are. I did for a minute. Yeah, this is the chart you're looking at, right? Right, Kev. So basically, what I was saying is that what Kev was saying is that when oops, didn't mean to do that. Sorry, let me zoom back out here. When this 111-day EMA reaches the 350 moving average, crosses over it, it's now reached the top. Every time it's done that, it reaches the top of the cycle. And right now we're close, but we're not there. We're not there yet. You can see we almost hit it here. We broke away, but once this reaches up here and it hits above and they break these lines, then at that point we've reached our top, right? Right, Kev? Is that what you've been asking me to look at? And I did look at it. I thought I looked at it on stream, but maybe you dipped out there too. I'm just kidding. Uh, Austin, yes, but Austin hates the deer. What? Oh, feet. Oh, deer. Oh, yeah. I'm like, deer. What are we talking about, Linda? ADA going into Timu soon. All right. It's Ike. You guys are killing me, dude. Yeah, I'm glad you did change it. I was having a hard time following it. Hey, Aaron, what's up, man? TikTok down. Yeah, sorry, TikTok went down. Yeah, hopefully everyone migrated over here. The Tangem ring is not out yet. Starts shipping. Oh, okay. So people are liking it. Okay, people are liking it. Wait until inauguration day to buy anything. I would probably do it beforehand if I were. I come here just to listen to Austin. He's real, and I'm wearing. Oh, Dev, I appreciate that. Yeah, this should tell you everything you need to know. If you're doubting when to buy, I mean, this should say a lot right here. I'll leave this up for anyone to take a screenshot. 219.27. We're slowly increasing. Got to get above this. We got to get above 219.89 is our that's our key level right now. 219.89. Shaft it, Jesus. Yes, wait till everything goes up to buy. Viking. I just got my ring. Had a card for last year. Okay. A lot of people actually like it. If we make this, it's easy. Yeah. 219.89. That's our level we got to get above. Keep both hands. That's your alter ego. FOMO, yeah, FOMO is a real thing, dude. People wait for green charts before they start buying. It's kind of weird. But, it's a psychological thing that people have to get over, especially if you're new to crypto. It's a really hard thing to get over. But you'll eventually get there. All right, 219.37. Let's see if we can actually break through on this hour chart. We have about 20 minutes left in the hour. It'd be nice if we actually broke through and hit this. You can see we got rejected here at this level about 3 hours ago. We hit this 220 marker and got rejected. So hopefully we can break through it now and at least stay up here. That's gross. The impatient pay the patient. Y'all just keep buying tops and selling bottoms. I'm good. Every time you say that, Kev, I don't know if you guys remember that video that those guys made of Henok when he was like, "It's so easy. All you gotta do is just buy the top or buy the bottom and sell the top." Remember that video that was out there? That was so funny, man. I still think of that video. Crypto's so easy. You just buy the bottom and you sell the top. It's that easy. Good old Henok. That was funny, dude. The US, no, you can definitely order it. Oh, you can order the tangent. I gotta look into the tangent. I like to at least mess around with it. So 219.31. We're coming back. Fiat leak. 219.51 on the fiat leak. Austin has Amex Gold Card for his trading subscriptions, but shops for all brands when grocery shopping. Where's my wallet? I was gonna say, yeah, I do use an Amex. It's not gold, it's purple. It's like a dark purple. I need exit liquidity. Let's see here. The impatient literally paid the patient. That's true, they do. They do, and it takes a while in this space for people to get patience. No, I know you are, Brandon. I know you're just playing, dude. But I don't have the gold card. I have the purple card, the Amex purple card. It's legit, dude. It's for the Delta Sky Miles. That's what it is. It's the Delta. I think it's the Delta Reserve card or something like that. It's so I can get Sky Miles for it's the Delta Sky Miles Reserve American Express card. Yeah, it looks like this. Honestly, dude, if you don't have credit cards that give you good stuff, it's this one right here. That's the one I have. Boom, boom, boom. You should get rewards, dude. Honestly, best thing I've ever done is use credit cards to pay for everything and then use my fiat to then pay them off. You get so many bonuses and so many rewards. Yeah. Yeah, the annual fee kind of sucks. I mean, the annual fee is $650, so that does kind of suck, but it pays itself off in the end with the amount of spending and stuff like that I do. And then I get a bunch of free miles. So we use it to travel and stuff like that. So if you need exit liquidity, you're already rich. Why you here? When people talk about the biggest transfer of wealth, is it really just a few people getting rich off people late to the party? Yeah, Starseed. That's usually how it works. Yeah, it's usually how it works. The people investing in crypto in late 2025 will be funding all the early, but yeah, that's exactly anyone getting people. There'll be people late to the party for sure. And then the people that are late to the party will become exit liquidity for people that have been here. You got to go. It's Stolman. The only way you're going to make money off of day trading is if you do leverage trading. If you're trading small amounts of money like that, you gotta get into the leverage trade game, dude. $100 in a spot trade is not going to give you anything. I don't mean to dampen your day, but if you're gonna spend $100, you gotta put some leverage trading. Go put $100 in, or go take 50 of that or whatever and put it at a 10x and XLM, and hope it hits. That's your best, or you take $100 and you put it in a token, and then buy another $100, put it in the same token, and then continually add a bag to where you have a couple $1,000s in that token. You could do that way, but doing $100 on a day trade is going to be that's a tough ride unless you're leverage trading. The rich poor divide with the bigger that it's we're already seeing it right now. I mean, look what happens when you let institutional money into crypto. Institutional money comes into crypto, they buy it all up, right? And that's what we're seeing with Bitcoin. And the people that bought in early are actually reaping the rewards of that. And the people that have not bought are on the outside looking in. That's too expensive for them to actually enter in. Retail is wash trading. Institutional money is what you want. Yeah. Thanks for answering my question, Austin, about Ondo. Oh, thanks for answering my question about Ondo. Should I sell my Ondo then? We're talking about profits on your long-term holds like XRP. Again, I think Ondo is good, a good project. I just wanted to before any. I just telling people if they're new to crypto and the Ondo's their first purchase, I think they should just wait till the first private sellers get their money to, because who knows what they're going to do, right? They'll sell. Maybe there'll be fear in the market. People that are invested in here will see that there's going to be tokens unlocking. I mean, you've already saw people out there. A big time YouTuber already made a video talking about the unlocking of tokens, which I don't think they got a positive vibe on that one. Because again, when you start talking negatively on projects, it puts a bad taste in some people's mouths. Because again, you're funding their project, and I get it, dude. You don't want that. So you don't want to talk negatively on it, but at the same time, you don't want people to get hurt either, especially new people that are coming into the space. You want them to win. You don't want them to put their money into a project and then the next month it literally goes down 30% because of unlocking of tokens and people are actually selling, and on top of that you amplify the selling because people are now have fear and they're selling, so it just kind of creates that, you know what I mean? Yeah. Awesome. Also, are tokens that are on being unlocked already in the market, or they are adding tokens? No, they're handing tokens over to people. They're handing tokens over to, so there's token allocations to different, like token allocations to, you know, contributors, token allocations to the project, token allocations. So each there's different areas that they're allocating tokens to, and so when those become unlocked, they could then sell those tokens. So technically, they have a bunch of tokens locked up, which is holding the floor for Ondo and a lot of these other cryptos like Sui. And when those tokens unlock, it's going to cause fear because people don't want to be dumped on. Does that make sense? Oh shit. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, so I mean, you go back and you look, and it's pretty crazy. I mean, anytime you make a video like that, people will come in and they'll attack you for saying those things. So I got destroyed on Solana at 15 bucks. Didn't cash at any out until 2000. Now waiting on the H bar, dude. Heck yeah, that's good. That's really good. Isn't RLZ Ripple's the best bet? Ripple probably has the best track record for reliability. I think so. I think it's its best. I think it's really good for it. Oh, got it. Yeah, that's kind of where it's at. It's kind of where it's at. So we have about 12, 13 minutes. I'll probably be on here for only about 13 more minutes until we move over to this 4-hour chart here. And we'll call it a day. I really want to see this hour end with us getting up here into the 220 range. I don't know if we're going to. We're at 1908. We got about 12 minutes left in the hour. And then the 4-hour chart also ends right here. So this is a good 4-hour chart ending. You can see the 4-hour chart did get in here. So our next goal is to build off of this. So I want to see where we build off of this next 4-hour, which will be here in about 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Basically, a token unlocks is people who got them for pennies on the dollar, but it's okay because they can't sell till tomorrow. Yeah, it's a way to give investors or early investors a cut of the project without giving them money. So they'll say, "Hey, here's a $100 million," and then you're gonna allocate them their $100 million or whatever they invest in the project plus whatever their equity is, right? So they're going to get equity in it, and the equity is the token, just like shares, no different than shares, but you're looking at it from tokens. And unfortunately, here in crypto, there's no regulation on people selling their shares. They don't got to make announcements like you do on the stock market side. So it's kind of sucky. That should all change, though. That will all change. Hey, what do you think XRP can get to at its max? I'm pushing Aline. I'm pushing I hope like $7 by this bull run. We see something along those lines. What's a good 1000x? What's a good 100x in 25 coin? Andrew, what are you talking about? I'll remind you, Bitcoin was 8 cents August of 2000, right? Viking Cat, that's wild. That's such a wild thing to think about, right? 8 cents. Intrigued, good question. I don't know if I am or not. We'll see. We'll see what the day brings. I got family coming over. We got a second Christmas. My mom and sister are coming over since we were sick. We couldn't get together, so we rescheduled it for today. So I got a bunch of family coming over to hang out, and so we'll see how the day turns out. So, are you talking about? Yeah, and I'm okay with tokens unlocking. I mean, dude, XRP has tokens unlocking. I mean, there's a lot of projects out there that do the unlocking thing. You just got to do it in small increments. You can't do it in large increments. You'll hurt the entire project if you do a large increments. You got to do small. Ondo is probably a good way of doing that. I'll give Ondo, if you go look at their things. I was just looking at it when we're talking about it. Yeah, they do in very small increments. Like the Sui doesn't. Sui is the one that I would be most concerned about right now. At least here they do. They're releasing a good amount of tokens, um, but it's over the course of a year. So they're releasing it every month, small amounts over the course of a year. But you go and you look at like Sui, I think they're releasing it like right off the jump. I think they're releasing it like, yeah, like right here, you could see come January, come January 2025. See, they're already releasing. Then come January 2025, they're releasing a crap ton to early investors. So yeah, they're gonna slowly. You can see that they already started to in April 2024. It's only going to increase, and so every January there's going to be a bigger increment increase. So yeah, it's just kind of crazy when you think about it. But hey, to each your own, right? To each your own. You got to pay it back somehow. You got to pay it back somehow. And again, I'm not against it. It's okay to do that. It's okay to have locked tokens. Just gotta be aware of it. Austin needs to rest the sexy voice. I don't know if my voice is sexy. It's too like raspy right now. I feel like I'm like talking like super deep. Baby, lock the door and turn the light. I feel like I need to sing like a country song. Is the token in escrow? Is that tokens in escrow? Yeah, that's technically what it is. It's just lock liquidity. It's basically an escrow. Yeah, that's kind of what it is. Intrigue. Hey, no problem, Andrew. No problem. Yeah, I appreciate. Oh yeah, your story. Yeah. I reposted the story, dude. I told you I would. Sleep is not a concept for Austin. Yeah, no sleep. I don't sleep at all, dude. I actually was on the phone talking with someone till like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was talking to an old friend. Uh, oh my god, I know how that feels. I don't know what we're talking about. I bought Bitcoin around around two, and I sold it at 111. I quit crypto for years. Oh my god, I'm not selling. Dude, that welcome back, dude. um, I'm saying the new floor is 212. All right, Cloud. All right, 212. So you're saying right down here, it's the new floor, right there. All right, all right. I just want us to get above this. I just really want us to get above the 289. That's where we need to get above. At least from the 1 hour standpoint, right? 1 hour chart showing us about the 28 219.89. That's where I want to get above on the 1 hour. Never sell. Never sell. Austin's just sing on stream when XRP is 3. I could sing. I can. That's one thing about me, man. I don't think you guys realize I got a really special talent. My special talent is like none other, and that is that I could pretty much sing any song out there. I'm pretty good at memorizing lyrics to rap songs, country songs, any song. Like if it's on the radio, You name it, dude. If it's Drake, I got it. I got it on tap, dude. If it's Nicki Minaj, I can sing that too. You name it, dude. It could be Dierks Bentley. I got that as well. Any song coming on the radio, I'm singing it. I know the lyrics. That's one of my traits. I don't know how it happens. I don't know why it works out like that, but yeah. I don't. It could even be like 80s. It could be 70s music, dude, and I'll be able to still sing. If it's on the radio, I'll be able to sing it. Again, I don't know every song like on everyone's track, but if it's on like the radio, like top 25 or anything like that, yeah, Eminem, you got it, dude. I can definitely put out some Eminem. Yeah, it's kind of weird, dude. I don't have a great voice. I'm not saying I have a good voice, but I could definitely. Yeah, right. He can remember a billion lyrics, but I can't take out the trash, dude. Amen, dude. So that is one fun fact about me is that I can put it down pretty good with all that kind of stuff. I'm not saying that I like her, Kev. I'm not saying that like I'm just saying that like it sticks. Like I hear it one time and it sticks, dude. Yeah, I'm not. I just threw that out there, like, because it's just such a random, But yeah, it's weird. It's a weird thing, dude. I don't know. You talking like entry? You talking about a song like "She's a very freaky girl"? That song, the one you can't take home to mother. Is that the song? She's a lady. Um, and he can't remember the rest of his TikTok. Oh yeah, maybe that's a super freak. You're right. Maybe that's super freak. She's a super freak. I have to hear that. That's the thing is I have to hear that. I might not know the song, the name of the title of the song. As soon as I hear the song, I can start singing it, dude. It's weird. It's super weird, dude. I can at least hit the chorus. Yo, F it, token, unlock, price go up on Sui. I don't think it's gonna go up on. I think there'll be a little bit of some rocky road, and I don't mean the ice cream. All right, come on, let's close this. We gotta close this in at least 219. Let's close it into the 219. These guys are dumb. uh, yeah, dude, I would agree. Her song. Oh, you talking about Vanilla Ice. I mean that's like yeah, that's like OG. She knows none but Disney songs, dude. The thing is that I can sing all the Disney songs too. Not that I'm proud of that, but God, if you got rid of capital gains, it's game on. All right, we got 2 minutes before this hour closes here. Will the drop in Sui create a buying opportunity? That's what I'm hoping for, Justin. I mean, people are going to sell. I bought it like $1.50, so I'm not really sweating it. But I could see people that are buying the top, that just bought into this, getting a little bit, or people that are waiting to enter. So it's not necessarily a bad thing. You want me to sing Frozen? Like you're stuck in. You want me to become Elsa, dude? I can't. The whole Let It Go thing. I can't sing that. That pitch is hard. That's a hard pitch to get to. Tariffs are the key. Yeah, tariffs will be interesting to see how they play out. Viking Cat. Yeah, the Let It Go. That's a tough lyric to hold, dude. Not that song. What song do you want then? What song then, Linda? If not Let It Go. When you think of Frozen, you think of Let It Go. He's a shower. I could sing in the shower. You believe pumps should get stronger every 4 years? They usually the percentages should get smaller. The pumps will still be there, but the percentages should be smaller. Is this live? Yes, Carl, it's live. Dang wop. I could sing that song, dude. That's crazy as that sounds. I can sing that song. Oh yeah, here we go. We just went into the new hour, so we're gonna create a. We just came in a little high right there. So 118.85 on the 1 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks here. We're gonna see. I'll be on here for another like 5 minutes. We'll work. We'll see how this 5 hour, 5 minutes into this 4 hour. I mean, I can if it's on the radio, I could sing it for sure. Yep, yeah. You guys name it, dude. I got it. No diggity, no doubt. Yeah, I can sing that song. Any song, dude. I swear to you, you guys can name it, dude. If it was on the radio, I could sing the song as long as it's playing. Has to be playing in the background. I can't just like go off top of my head and just start singing the song. I gotta hear it on the radio and then I'll sing along. Do you think places like Robinhood or Coinbase would ever fold? Coinbase has been around since 2012. So Coinbase has been through the thick and the thin, dude. They've been through the ringer, dude, and they're still here. The song has to come on the. I mean, like the song has to come on the radio. Like I can't just think of a song off the top of my head and start singing it. Like even like Let It Go. Like it has to start playing, and then like it triggers. It's weird, dude. Like triggers in my brain, and I can sing along. I can't like if I'm singing a song and they cut the song, I'll stop singing. I won't be able to remember the words. But as soon as the song's playing, I could sing all the words. It's super weird, dude. I don't know what it is in my brain, how that works, but that's how it works. So we were not singing in Discord. I'll tell you that right now. I'm here for the Mary Poppins music. I ain't mad at the what is how the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah, that's a decent song. We actually just watched Mary Poppins the other day. It was on TV for Christmas. It was on for Thanksgiving. We were watching it. Maybe Kev, right? Maybe there's something about it, right? Maybe that's what I should change the channel name to. Maybe Kev, that's the new channel name that you guys are seeking. I do not like musicals, even though like yeah, we're not going to get into the first musical that I went to. I was like, what the hell are we watching? Robin Hood, investing and expecting, not just focusing on crypto. Yeah, I think Robin Hood will be around. Break on through the other side. Break on through to the other side. Yeah, it's a good song. Any West Side Story tune? Dude, I tell you the truth, dude. My one of my good friends, he's like, he can sing all West Side Story stuff, dude. But all right, guys. Looks like we're gonna have we might be heading around this 218 marker. I'm gonna head off. I got some things to prepare for the family. Appreciate you guys all coming on today. Thank you so much for the fun. Now you guys have a little fun fact around about me. And yeah, we're gonna continue to watch this, see how this unfolds today. I'm hoping, like I said, we get back up to this 6.5 level, which is right around the 220 marker. That's kind of where I'm looking at right now. So yeah, appreciate you guys all being here today. Thank you guys so much for just kicking it with me on this Saturday and making me laugh and having a good time, dude. So yeah, appreciate you guys a ton. Thanks so much. We might come on tonight. It all depends on how we how tonight rolls out. And I'm not going to make a promise on that because family's going to be over here. So might just make some content, put it out there. So with all that, hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. We're out. Peace out, everyone.